Hello and welcome back to the Green Footwear channel. We're wishing you all a very happy New Year's and all the best for the adventures ahead in 2024. We're very excited to be back in the factory and to see where the Gym Green journey takes us and our boots this year. So let's jump into the first video of 2024, and there's no better way in starting off this year than with a custom boot of the week. This week's custom boot of the week features our 𝐵𝐵𝐵 boot in the Houston green material with our new frog grip sole. We have no doubt that with this custom spec, the boot is only going to get better with time. Our Houston green material is of a similar spec to our oily fudge leather and the Houston brown leathers. So with time and wear, the oils will develop and create a great, unique patina depending on how the customer is going to use this boot. For a better idea and to understand the patina that you could experience with this leather, we'll pop a video up here where you can see how our oily leathers age over 137 days. Now moving down the boot and having a look at the sole choice that this customer has made, he has chosen our new frog grip sole. This sole took about 6 months to develop, and it features on our brand new boot to the range, our 𝐿𝐿 boot. One of our last videos of 2023 was touching on the spec of this boot and our 6-month review. If you want to learn more about the 𝐿𝐿, you can go ahead and watch the video that's popped up over here. A quick breakdown of the frog grip sole. The frog grip sole is more focused on comfort in each step, while giving you that sleeker, more formal look to the boot. To go into more depth of this sole, we would recommend checking out our 𝐿𝐿 review. These 𝐵𝐵𝐵s are going to get some serious mileage before we see them again in the factory for their next resole, and we cannot wait for the day to see the patina and how they hold up. We're sure the customer is going to really enjoy this pair. They're going to be super comfortable once broken in, and we're sure that there's going to be some great Gym Green journeys ahead. So let's jump into the factory and see just how this pair is made.